When it comes to grabbing attention, Mansory is in a league of its own. Whether you love their aggressive designs or not, there is no denying they know how to make a car stand out. Their latest project puts the spotlight on the BMW M5, turning an already powerful machine into something even more unique through a suite of visual and interior upgrades. The exterior is where Mansory starts making bold moves. There is carbon fiber just about everywhere. Side sills, a roof spoiler, mirror caps, fender logos, and small canards are among the more subtle pieces. Then there is the oversized carbon hood insert, a sharp front lip, and a wild rear diffuser with a triple-tip exhaust right in the middle. You are not blending in with traffic anymore. Pop the hood and you will find even more carbon fiber, including a cover for the engine. If the aggressive bodywork somehow goes unnoticed, that engine bay will not. Mansory also offers a sport exhaust system and a set of forged black wheels, giving the M5 a bolder stance and more presence on the road. Inside the cabin, Mansory goes all in with carbon fiber again. Pedals, door sills, and trim pieces. Even the seat belts can be customized with special colors and stitching. Floor mats with Mansory branding add another personal touch. If that is not enough, Mansory is happy to tailor the interior even more based on the customer's taste. This is not about subtlety. Mansory's M5 is loud, daring, and not for the shy. But with BMWs becoming more common in high-end neighborhoods and city streets, a little bit of outrageous style might be the best way to spot your car from across a crowded parking lot. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next bold creation.